Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen and today I'm going to be sharing with you some DIY projects that you should try around your home that will transform your space, make it look custom and high-end on a budget. I'm always trying new beginner-friendly DIY projects and that's what this video is filled with. So if you're looking for easy ways to transform your home, this video is just for you. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. All right, let's start with a DIY project for your ceiling. This is something that you can do that will transform your space, make it look custom and elegant in minutes. And that's installing a ceiling medallion right where your light fixture is. This looks fantastic in bedrooms, entryways, dining rooms, living rooms, anywhere where you have a statement light fixture. It will really do the trick to making your space look elegant and custom instantly. These are very, very affordable. You can find them on Amazon. I'll have a few linked down below, or your local hardware store. They can be $25, they can go to $50, they can go beyond that, but it just depends on what size, what material, and how much detail is in your ceiling medallion. So they're primed, ready to paint, and all you have to do is stick it onto your ceiling with some construction adhesive. They're super lightweight. It's a very easy install that I think anyone can do. I definitely recommend choosing a ceiling medallion size that works with your light fixture size. You don't want your ceiling medallion to be small and your light fixture to be large. You really want them to be a similar scale for you to see the detail and for it to be worth it. It's one little detail that you can do and install all on your own on a budget that will completely transform your ceiling. Now, a DIY project I did in our main hallway was change out our air return vent cover. I purchased a new one on Amazon that was paintable and just felt a lot more sleek and up to date, and it instantly transformed the wall. It took the wall from looking builder grade, a bit dirty and dingy with the metal vent cover, and transformed it into something a little bit more sleek and up to date. So I highly recommend changing out your air return vent cover as well. I purchased mine on Amazon. I'll have it linked down below. You can order it in different sizes, so if you just make sure that you're measuring properly, you'll get the right fit for your space, but it took no longer than 5 to 10 minutes. So it was very simple. It's just a simple unscrew and screw back in process. So I think anyone can do it and it will completely update the look of your home. Now, if you have front loader laundry machines like we do, I highly recommend building out your own DIY enclosure. I think this makes your laundry area look so much more custom and built in. So we tackled this all on our own within a few hours. We cut down 1x4 pieces of wood to screw into the studs all around our laundry enclosure nook. This is what's gonna be your bracket to slide your countertop onto. We used butcher block countertop and just cut it down to size and slid it into that area. Butcher block is a very affordable solution for a countertop, so I highly recommend doing something like that. And then you're pretty much just finishing it all off with trim. So we created a center divide with just a piece of plywood and then finished off the front with a piece of trim. And it's as easy as that. We customized it even more with an under countertop curtain that really softened the look as well and created some storage space under there. But this is such a great project to try if you have a laundry room with just floating machines. That extra countertop space just finishes off the room and makes for such great folding and styling space. So definitely try out this DIY project in your laundry room. I'll have the whole video tutorial down below in the description box if you guys want to try it out as well. Now, sometimes all your home or a specific room needs is some paint on the walls. Just a fresh coat of paint will completely transform your space, and painting can definitely be a DIY project. I really enjoy home painting and it definitely saves me a ton of money. I find painters and painting companies do charge thousands. So if you want to save money, definitely do it yourself. I think the only thing I ever hired out was exterior painting, but interior painting I think is very easy to achieve all on your own. If you're looking for DIY painting tips and how-tos, I can definitely make a video all about that as well so that you can paint your spaces yourself as well. Once you know how to handle and use simple painting tools, you can apply this to furniture painting, cabinet painting, doors, windows, and walls. You can paint every space in your home all on your own. It's one of the easiest, quickest DIY projects that you can do that will completely transform your space. Now, another fun painting project that you can do is actually create your own look of Delft tiles. Delft tiles have become very popular and they are extremely expensive because they are handmade and one of a kind. If you have plain tiles in your home, just simple square tiling in your kitchen, your laundry room, or bathroom, you can actually use tile paint to create your own simple Delft tile look. Now, of course, this isn't the real deal, but it does allow you to get this customized DIY feeling in your home, and you can definitely try it out on your plain white or cream tiles in your space. Now, a DIY project that will completely revamp your home is refinishing your staircase railing and spindles. I've done this 2 different times in 2 different looks and methods, and it has always made such a dramatic difference, and I've done it DIY style. I've saved a ton of money by doing it this way, and I think a staircase is such a focal point in your home that it's always worth doing. I refinished my parents' staircase and took it from that orange builder grade wood to a dark espresso and white finish for under $100. I also did the same thing at our home by actually refinishing our railing from a dark wood to a light wood. So we stripped it back, sanded it completely, and refinished it with a natural stain and seal so it really blended with our floors nicely. So there's so many staircase projects that you can do, but this is something you can do without any demo, without any crazy tools. You can get this all done all on your own on a budget. So I highly recommend transforming your staircase. Carve some time out in your schedule to get this done because it will completely revamp your home. Now, another DIY ceiling detail that can save you a ton of money is installing your own DIY wood beams. Wood beams can be extremely pricey. So if you are doing any kind of renovation and you want the look of wood beams, maybe consider doing faux wood beams and installing them on your own. These are very lightweight and just need to be nailed into a bracket. So as long as you have your bracing up on your ceiling into studs, you can definitely get this up quickly and easily. You can make these completely on your own and customize the style, the shape, or you can just buy them already made. I saw them on the Home Depot website and they have so many different finishes, and I think this would make for such a great DIY project. I love the look of ceiling details, especially in small spaces like a bathroom. So if you want to start small and try this DIY project, try installing faux wood beams in your bathroom to see what a difference it makes. Ceiling details always make a home look very custom and high-end, so I think it's always worth trying to DIY these projects to really get that look for less. And lastly, a weekend project I highly recommend doing is replacing all of your doorknobs around your home. Make sure that all of your doorknobs match and really work with the existing finishes in your home. So go for an unlacquered brass or a polished nickel or even black doorknobs, something that really has a substantial look to it. I love the look of doorknobs that have back plates. I just feel like that gives you a very elevated look, and there's so many different options that you can find on Amazon or Wayfair on a budget. But having that uniform look around your home is going to give you this up-to-date custom feel. You can even take this a step further and paint your doors so you have a full refreshed look, or just change the doorknobs and that will make the biggest difference. If you're looking for even more DIY project ideas, I'll leave the first video I made on this topic down below in the description box. It's filled with ideas that I've done around our home to totally transform it, and I highly recommend these projects because they're easy, doable, and affordable. So I know you guys can tackle them as well. Let me know down below in the comments what your next DIY project is in your home. What's something you really want to try that you know will transform your space? And if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button. And make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have my notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!